Hello BTS Army. So 3 minutes 18 second long full version of Blue Side has been released by J-Hope on the 3rd anniversary of his first mixtape, Hope World. This full version of Blue Side is written and produced by J-Hope alongside frequent collaborators His Noise and Adora. J-Hope took Bangtan blog to share his thoughts about the reworked version of Hope World's outro by sharing this letter with fans. And I think J-Hope has released this song on 2nd March because of the color of March this month is also aqua blue. If you have listened to Blue Side, you guys must be very familiar with this poster by Eddie Kang. And if you look properly, there are many things in this poster which many of you may have not noticed. So let's talk about the things you didn't notice in Blue Side's poster and what is the meaning behind the song. First, I would like to explain what does Blue Side mean. The word Blue Side have two meanings, both are related to J-Hope's Blue Side. One of the meaning denotes the feeling of longing for someone whom you can't seem to have. The second meaning could be feeling of emptiness and sadness, an act of hopelessness. The poster is filled with lyrics of Blue Side and also it addressing many other things. If we look at it, you can see Hobi's birth date, Blue Side, in my arm, I am singing my blue, back to Blue Side, faith, longing, singing my blue, want to hold you, heaven, blue moon, back in my room, I am singing my blues, in my blue dreams. J-Hope, emotions. These are parts of lyrics of Blue Side. Apart from this, we can see one more word, Pandora's box, which is not a part of lyrics but it holds deep meaning in the poster. We can derive two different meanings of Pandora's box as per Greek mythology, as per modern times. In Greek mythology, Zeus, the king of gods, took vengeance by presenting Pandora to Prometheus, brother of Epimetheus. She was instructed not to open the jar. Then too, Pandora opened jar left in her care containing many unspecified evil which were then released into the world. As she opened the container, though she hasn't to close the container, only one thing was left behind, usually translated as hope. And this was the story behind famous idiom to open Pandora's box. In short, the meaning of Pandora's box is to do or start something that will cause many unforeseen problems. In modern times, an idiom has grown from its meaning, any source of great and unexpected trouble, or alternative, a present which may seem valuable but which in reality is a curse. Now let's talk about the man behind this portrait, Eddie Kang. The one made for J-Hope is a conglomerate, or you can also say compilation of all his previous paintings. Eddie Kang is supremely thoughtful and talented. All of his painting has sense of freshness. Now let's see what's the inspiration behind Eddie Kang's paintings. Eddie Kang is an artist that creates fictional space drawn from his memories and imagination. Through symbolic icons, Eddie Kang reveals his perspective on urban society and expresses the lonesome emotions people feel aimed in busy crowds. Eddie Kang has a pessimistic outlook on the city life, but seeks to find positive meaning behind them. Preoccupied by technology and racing to get ahead of the capitalist economy, people are prone to lose their identities in systemized modern culture. Kang's robots are symbolic of negative side of city. He sees tall skyscraper as a monster and often picture large building as a robot whose entrance are mouth that swallows people. Through the negatives he sees in the urban society, Eddie Kang expresses the positive notions that can be found behind them. So this was the explanation behind J-Hope's Blue Sides poster and his song overall. I hope you like my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow BTS Army friends, and consider subscribing to my channel because I upload BTS's video every week.